Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna do 40 by 40. The what I have planned is a lot of colors on the canvas. Then I'm going to put a white on there, gonna swipe it, then ribbons on top. That's the plan. And I'm going to pour it out of here because I got a lot of paint left over. So I'm gonna put everything I have, well, almost everything. I have to keep some leftovers for the ribbons. And I'd like the ribbons to have a little bit of dark blue because of the contrast, but I also want a little bit of dark blue in the pour. And of course white. Ooh, I'm thinking now that I won't have enough white to swipe, so I'll have to make some. Ooh, little drops on the canvas, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm hoping I have enough. This is, let's see, ooh, that's only 200 of those milliliters. That's not enough, but we'll see. And of course, I gotta swipe most of it out of here. Okay, that's enough. I kind of like this thing. I don't know what you'd call it, but I kind of like what it does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the whole canvas just to make sure. See that? Get some more out of here. So I'm going to make the whole canvas pretty wet so that it'll, you know, give some smooth something so that the paint will move a little faster, I'm hoping. And of course you can see some cells appearing, but it's not about the cells because we're going to swipe it. See how fast it flows when you do that? So just making sure it's all wet. That's pretty wet. Okay, I think we're ready. So doesn't matter if it's falling on the table because I'm going to be scooping it right up with my little trusty pellet knife. There you go. I will be I will be torching it because I want to know what it looks like. This is almost pouring on a budget because there was really not enough paint. But as you can see, it's covering pretty nicely. Oops, want some here. It's gonna work out. I can see it. There it goes. Last bit. There it is. Of course, I gotta do the sides, but we'll see what that. Oh, I got all my white is a little bit contaminated, but we'll see. Okay, now torch. You see that I'm doing it fast because I don't want to uh, stay too long in one place that you get a skin. Just bursting the bubbles because we're going to swipe it. There was another bubble. Gone. Okay, now we're going to come in with the white. But like I said, I contaminated the white. But it'll work, I'm pretty sure. I'm getting the rest out of the cup. Okie dokie. Might even be nicer because it's not totally white, but has a really little bit of blue in it. And I'll do one down here. Okay. Now I'm going to swipe it really carefully. That's nice. And another one over here. That's it. That's looking cool. Okay, we got some nice cells. They're not as tiny as they look because of course this is a big canvas, 40 by 40. So I'm gonna get my little cup. And I am going to start to do the ribbons. But I'm going to tilt at the end when I've got all the ribbons in place. That's the, oops, do I have some more of that light color? I'd like that. Takes forever to come out. And a little stir. Okay, here we go. That's ribbon number 1. I don't have much room to do these ribbons. Oh, look at those beautiful cells that are popping up. I've got to do it a little faster. And a little swirl. That's that. Then some more white. Yes. That's okay. I think one more, yeah. Another color. Well, of course a little green because I want another green popping up. Okay, let's do this one. That's nice. Okay, I think we're there. Now remember, these are going to move because there's a lot of paint on them. And it's going to move the background. See that? That is beautiful. I love that. I'm going to let it stay just like this. That is beautiful. And right now, all I'm doing is torching the ribbons. Okay, we're done. That's it. Yep, I really love this one. Wow, there's a lot to look at. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys down that you can see it up close. Just touching up the corners a little. That's done there. That corner is covered. Okay, I'll take you down. They're sort of like tentacles, don't you think? What I really like is up here, see how the background turned and sort of swooshed all over the place? That I really like. Then of course we have, I can't really get the glare out. Ooh, let's try this way. Okay, yeah. See the background, how it swaying all over the place, swervy. And this ribbon with the beautiful dark outline. Still moving a little bit, I can see that. And the most beautiful bit, I think, is here, that bit. I love that.